So, this is my Nana's Goodman air conditioner. Oh my. What? I could see like a long time ago I wrote that. That's insane. Yeah, this thing's been here as long as I can remember. That is the compressor. What is that? Okay, that's kind of cool. I have no idea what that is. I have no idea. There's something wrapped around that motor. Could be your failure point. Oh, I see the shaft, by the way. Which leads me to believe that this is a replacement fan motor. By the way, I would have this unit running right now, but it disconnects on. And the, anyway. My sister came by, so now I'm gonna have to actually cut this. So, yeah, as I was saying, this is a replacement fan motor. It was replaced a while back. I have no idea when. Normally these come with GE fan motors. This is an A.O. Smith. Let's go over the data. By the way, I fixed this a little while ago because it was exposed because it got whacked by the weed eater. This thing does have pressure in it. Huh. That one has pressure in it. That one doesn't have pressure in it. That one has to build pressure because I just took that off. And yeah, this thing hasn't been running. This thing is a 4-ton from 2004. You know these Goodmans don't last long. This guy's an R22. If I didn't discuss before, that's a Cope and Scroll. And yeah. I was hoping to get a shot of this thing on this summer, but I don't really know if this thing will see the light of day because it's broken. I mean, they said this thing is beat down, so it's about time to replace. I may actually do a video on that. So, yeah. Go ahead and like the video, and I'll see you guys later.